Hey everyone, welcome back once again to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. Today I am joined by a special guest, my neighbor and good friend, Mike.
How's everyone doing? Just got here from work. Happy to be here.
So I always ask my guests, hey, what drink would you like to see made? Maybe a drink that you have a good story behind or one that's important to you. And I don't know why, but Mike picked the trash can. Mike, why of all the drinks did you pick this one?
Well, Jason was telling me about his hobby that he was starting, so I went ahead and recommended a few drinks, and one that we used to do in college was the trash can. And basically what we would do is we would fill these up, chug them as fast as we can, and the loser bought. So
okay, so
we'll be reinventing that today.
All right. This time I'm buying, though, either way. Usually on this drink we go for some top shelf stuff, but sometimes you want to get drunk, you want to do it cheaply. So for this one, we pulled out some of our lower end ingredients, except for the gin, because I don't really have a low end gin. But we're going to go ahead and make this. I'm going to make 3 of these, one for each of us, obviously. I bought these little trash cans, thought they'd be appropriate off of Amazon. I'll link in the description below the link for them. Also going to make a 3rd with a clear glass, so you can kind of see how it's made, what it looks like. All these are going to be equal pours. We're going to start, before we put ice in the cups, with a 1/2 ounce of our Blue Curacao. What's the difference between Blue Curacao and Orange Curacao? Food coloring, that's it. It's really just used to make drinks blue or purple or green in this case. Kind of change the color of some different drinks. Not one you really ever want to drink by itself. Super sweet. Yeah.
Pretty nice.
All right, now we go ahead and add ice. You're a friend, you're a neighbor. We've shared germs before. I'm using my hands for this ice.
Great.
Tongs take too long. All right, the rest of the recipe is very simple. We just use a 1/2 ounce of each of the other things here. So we got a 1/2 ounce of triple sec. It's our orange liqueur. We've used this in many a margarita videos before. Then we got a 1/2 ounce of vodka. Again, don't really have a low-end vodka. Don't like the plastic bottle vodka. So we're going to use Tito's here. You like Tito's, Mike?
Sure do. Support the dogs.
There you go. That's right. They are a dog-friendly company. I forgot about that. And out of Austin, Texas. All right. Next up is our gin. Again, we're using a good gin here. Any gin will work. This is the Botanist. It's a dry gin. Do you drink a lot of gin, Mike?
I do not, but the bartender that I'm used to, he picks up all the bottles and just pours it in.
All right. Fair enough.
A little quicker here.
Probably a little quicker, yeah. We're doing it for the camera, though. And then last, we got our white rum. Any white rum will do. We're going to go with Bacardi. And then, as if this wasn't enough wild ingredients here, you top it off with some caffeine. We top it off with a Red Bull. Some places, they use the minis and just dump it in the cup. For the sake of the video, we're just going to pour some in here. Starts to take on that green color with the Red Bull there. And Tarso straw in here. I'll take the one with the chewed on end.
Oh, yeah.
Bottoms up.
That.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm just going to chug it. Well, you win.
Good birds.
As you said, I got to buy. Wow. I'm not going to call it delicious. I am going to call it enjoyable, a good way to start the night, a bad way probably to end the night. If you drink a lot of these, you're probably asking for a hangover the next morning, but...
Definitely.
Yeah. Is that how you remember college drinks being?
Yeah, browning out, yeah.
Okay. Well, hopefully we don't do that tonight. Guys, thanks for joining. Please subscribe, leave a comment below, like the video. We'll see you soon. Cheers.
Thank you, everyone.